Welcome to the ZebraZapps Editor Navigation First Look tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be taking a look at the ZebraZapps project editor's main navigation areas. Details of these area functions will be provided in follow-on tutorials. The first area we'll be looking at are the drop-down menus. These drop-down menus allow access to all the editor functions. In addition, many of these functions will have shortcut key equivalents. The most accessed editor functions will also have icon buttons. Let's take a look at these. This area contains buttons for the workspace functionality. Event View, Run, and Edit states can be found here. Also, holding the cursor over the button will show a tooltip for that button functionality. Next is the Project Message Center. It contains global project-specific functions and properties that control detailed project characteristics. We will learn more about message centers in the upcoming tutorials. The Workspace View buttons control different views of the workspace. They allow the developer to toggle between different levels of details and workspace zoom. The left and right window toggle buttons. These window toggle buttons include Property Inspector, Ribbon Library. On the left we have the Cloud Window toggle button. We have the Toolbox toggle button, the Resource Library, and the Variables and Functions panel. Next, let's move to the bottom of the screen where we have the project zoom options, the autosave on-off, autosave minutes. In addition, we have the save status. On the workspace itself, we have the toolbox, which contains all the objects needed to develop the content of the project. This toolbox can be moved around the screen to any convenient location. Let's close up the toolbox. The editor is currently in Flow View mode. Flow View allows the users to see the events or segments of the project and how they are sequenced. Each event has its own stage where the event content and functionality resides. The event slider allows the developer to move and view multiple events at once. The top portion of the slider shows consecutive events, while the bottom portions allow you to view any two events side by side. Above each event stage is the event stage control bar. The buttons on this bar control functionality of the associated event. To change to stage view, either double-click on the event stage or click its associated Edit button. To move back to Flow View, click the Event Flow Stage button in the upper left-hand corner. This concludes the tutorial on editor navigation.